If you're watching this video today and you're watching a lot of news and wondering if this is the best time for you to buy your new home, we're here today to discuss all the available options for you, because this market that we are in is actually there's an opportunity for both the buyer and the seller. Today, I'm excited to have my loan originator, Faith Kiunga, to discuss the financing options available for us. So I'm going to let Faith introduce herself, and then we can move forward.
Thank you so much, Sam, for having me. It's such a pleasure, and I'm so excited to be here to get some of the questions answered, because I know buyers do have questions. People are wondering if it's the best time to buy or not. So my name is Faith. I'm a loan originator. I'm licensed in 5 states. So I do help buyers in Texas, Georgia, Missouri, Kansas, and Pennsylvania. So in terms of buying, it can be primary residences, commercial, lending, or even refinancing. Because I know some people are reaching out to me for refinance, especially for people who bought when the rates were so high. And I'm going to explain a little bit about that, because we just had, just a little bit of a rate drop.
Thank you, Faith. Thank you. Again, my name is Sam Limo, and I'm a Texas realtor and work with Keller Williams here in Denton, Texas. So if you're looking for a home in Texas, I'm your guy. So today, if you watch my previous videos, some of the things that I've covered and I've been so passionate about is making my clients understand available financing options. We've covered financing options like FHA loans, which requires about 3.5%. We've covered conventional loans, which requires from 5% to 20% if you don't want to pay PMI. We've also covered VA loans, which require zero down. So as we cover this, we can see the consistent thing here is money down. And today we're providing another resource to you, and that resource is down payment assistance. A lot of you would think that, what is that? Yes, there is a down payment assistance, and that down payment assistance is towards the minimum required down payment depending on the loan approval that you have. So I'm going to give Faith an opportunity to explain what is down payment assistance.
Thank you, Sam. So thank you so much, Sam, for this opportunity, and you are doing a great job, educating our community on the different loan options. So down payment assistance, we call it DPA in short, which stands for the down payment assistance. It's a program that helps people with the down payment and some of the closing costs. So the down payment assistance was set to help home buyers. So that way, if you don't have enough money to cover the closing costs, you can still be able to buy. Now, the down payment assistance, and we have helped so many people get into this program to get into homes. The way it works is you're given different percentages. Now, the more you get, the higher the interest rate. And the body that gives the down payment assistance, I deal a lot with a body that is called TSHAC. So we have different options, but TSHAC is what I deal a lot with, that provides the down payment assistance options. So it provides assistance from 2% to 5%. Now, when I say 2%, it's 2% of the loan amount, not the sales price. For example, you mentioned the different types of programs, FHA, conventional, VA, USDA, all those kind of programs, right? So yes. Down payment basically is for FHA and conventional, those 2 types of loans, because VA anyway, it's 0% down. USDA is 0% down, right?
Yes.
So with FHA, when you put 3.5% down, that means your loan amount is 96.5%. Now, when I say 2% down payment, it's 2% of the 96.5, the loan amount, right?
Yes.
So, and to be honest with you, even if I mentioned, the interest is based on how much percentage of the DPA or the down payment you get, the difference is not a lot. And for me, I tell my buyers, anything to help you get into a home, any assistance that is going to help you get into a home, just take advantage of it.
That's awesome.
Now, we do have some requirements for you to qualify for the down payment assistance. I know there's a myth. People think it's only the first-time home buyers who can qualify for the down payment assistance. That is not true. Anyone can qualify for the down payment. By this time, did you know if you sold your home at least for the last 3 years, you're also considered as a first-time home buyer?
Wow, that's good news.
Yes. Yes, so if you sell your house and for the last 3 years you didn't have a home, you also consider. But anyway, the down payment assistance program is not just specifically for the first-time home buyers. It can be available for any buyer. You can be even a second-time, that-time home buyer. The only requirement is for FHA, they require a 620 credit score for the minimum, and conventional is 640 for you to qualify for the down payment assistance.
Awesome.
Now, so let's say you're